In this first tutorial, we'll walk you through the key features to help you get started with Planary quickly and easily. The plugin is available for a free trial, which you can download from our product page linked in the description below. We'll start by creating a basic drawing in Revit. All we'll need is a property line to define the site boundaries and filled regions to sketch the building. In this example, I have a podium and a tower. Next, I'll go to the Add-ins tab and launch Planary. Let's move Planary to the side and split the screen so we can work in both Revit and Planary simultaneously. To add our first site, I'll right-click in the Planary view, select Add Site, and pick the property line from Revit. Once the site is selected, I can rename it and add comments in the Properties panel. To create the first building, I'll right-click on the site, select Add Building from the drop-down, and then return to Revit to pick the filled region for the first building part. In the Properties panel, I can name the building and assign it to a site. For the building part properties, I can update the name, set the number of floors, adjust heights, and assign specific uses and sections. I'll set the first floor to 8 meters high and designate it for retail use. Adding additional programs to floors and allocating areas by percentage is simple. To add a building part above, I'll right-click on the current building part and select Add Building Part Above. I'll return to Revit and select another filled region, which in this case will represent the tower. You can always edit your drawing in Revit, and any updates will automatically reflect in Planary in real time, including changes to statistics and massing. To add another building to our site, I'll draw a new filled region in Revit, right-click on the site, and select Add Building. Thanks for watching.